In the magical town of Rainbow Valley, every house, tree, and flower sparkled with color. But one morning, something strange happened. One of the colors disappeared. Little Lila woke up and rubbed her eyes. "Mama, Papa, the color blue is gone!" she cried. The sky was gray, the river was clear, and all her blue dresses had turned white. The town gathered in the center, murmuring in confusion. "Where did blue go?" asked Grandpa Theo. "I don't know, but I'm going to find it," Lila declared. She packed her tiny backpack with a magnifying glass, a notebook, and a snack, then set off on an adventure. Lila found no blue, searching high and low. Then, she noticed a trail of tiny, shimmering footprints leading to a cave. Inside, she found a little creature, half cloud, half butterfly, huddled in the corner, glowing a soft blue. "Are you hiding the color blue?" Lila asked gently. The creature sniffled. "I didn't mean to. People forgot to appreciate blue, so I took it away." Lila thought about the sky, the ocean, and her favorite blueberry pie. "Oh no, we love blue. Maybe we just forgot to say thank you." She ran back to town and told everyone what had happened. "Let's show Blue how much we care," she said. The people of Rainbow Valley painted pictures of the ocean, wrote poems about the sky, and made blueberry pies to celebrate. The little blue creature peeked out of the cave, smiling. "You do love blue," it said happily, and with a wave of its wings, Blue returned to the world. The sky turned bright again, the river sparkled, and Lila's dresses shimmered in their beautiful blue shades. From that day on, the people of Rainbow Valley never took colors for granted again. And every evening as the sun set, Lila whispered, "Thank you, Blue."